Hello and welcome to spss 1 from part S3. So now we're going to see how we get data from Excel, which is much faster than typing by hand. You need to open this spreadsheet of data from EIDG, which you have seen already in the workshop using Excel. Here's what the data looks like in Excel, and to see what it looks like in SPSS you can refer to the picture at the top, the screenshot here. So one difference is that in Excel, everything is inside the spreadsheet. So the data itself, all this, the text and numbers, and the names of variables are also inside the spreadsheet here in the top two rows actually. But in SPSS, it's only the data and it's only in columns. The names of variables are actually fixed into the grayed out part here, which is the column headings. So there's none of that A, B, C, D. In Excel you have A, B, C, D, and then inside is the data. So that's the difference. So of course part of the trick is how to get those variable names into that top part there, which you saw briefly in the part S2. So you need to do a bit of work in Excel to get it into a nice form so you can import it. Because you can just import from Excel straight into SPSS quite easily, but it relies on the top row having the variable names, and you can see here that it's using the top two rows, and it's all a bit messy because some rows are split, so it wouldn't work. If you import this, you'll get a horrible mess. So what it suggests doing is press that button at the bottom. I hope you can see that. It might be just slightly off the screen. I'll just press that plus there to get this sheet one, and if you double click this you can just rename it as SPSS just so you know which one it is. So when you import to SPSS, make sure you get from this one here. Then what we're going to do is get the data, so from row 3 of this sheet here, so from there all the way up to there. So that's the actual data, so Control C, copy that. I'm going to paste in here from here, row 2. I tend to be safe and use that one, which just gives you the values, so there's no horrible formatting being copied. So that leaves me, that's fine. That leaves me with this top row here. I'm going to put my variable names in. Sorry, I'm getting a bit of lag on my computer. So you can see what the variable names should be. So you type those in across the top. So this is going to be sex. That's going to be language. And then I'm going to pause the video and type in the names, but you can see what the name's going to be. The names I'm going for are up here. So these are the views of people on multi-party system, privatisation, deforestation problems, the clinic, the service at the clinic, and then we have the data on their age and income. So I'm just going to type those names across the top. So I'll pause the video so it doesn't get too long. So I've now done that, so they're all across the top there. I quite like to bold it so make it stand out. Okay, so there's the variable names. Once you've done that, you should be ready to import into Excel. So we put the variable names in, we pasted in the data, save and close the Excel file. So save that and close it. And now we're ready to import SPSS, but I'll leave that for the next video to keep them reasonably short. So thanks for watching.